Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create desktop shortcut for Steam games. It's quite easy. Just open Steam first. Now here you need to head over to library. Right here you're gonna see all of your games. So just hit right click on the game whose desktop shortcut you wanna add to your screen. I wanna add desktop shortcut for this game NBA 2K26. I can hit right click on that, go to manage and select this option add desktop shortcut. Now if I show you, you can see that they have added the desktop shortcut for this particular game. Just like that you can add multiple desktop shortcut for your other games. Like I wanna add for this game FC26, which you can see here as well. So either I can hit right click here or here. Again go to manage and select this option add desktop shortcut. Now if I minimize the Steam, you can see that they have added the shortcut for this game as well. And yeah, that's exactly how you can create desktop shortcut for your games in Steam. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.